Bungoma, where we have Kibabi University having some festivals, and we have the Deputy President in attendance, but just to see what is happening there. Right, and that right there, what you see is the 60th edition of the annual Kenya School and Colleges Drama Festival Gala event, which has been graced by the presence of the Deputy President, Dr. William Ruto, who is expected to also proceed from there. He's going to be heading over to Nandi, and he is going to be launching some projects in Nandi. Right here on KTN News, we certainly will keep you posted and updated. But the pictures and images you see are a celebration of the 60th edition of the annual Kenya Schools and College Drama Festival, which is taking place at Kibabi University, and that, of